Hello, I'm John Hughes. I am the Bose Professional Business Development Manager here at TD SYNNEX. We are currently in Charlotte at our TD SYNNEX InVision event. I'm here showing our new Bose VB1 video bar. Kind of the big standout with our video bars is you can take a meeting without a camera on, but you can't take a meeting if you can't hear the other participants in the meeting clearly. And that's what we really bring into this new workspace, is having that premium sound that Bose is known for, having it now in our Microsoft Teams room, our Zoom room, any of our Google meetings. This unit here will cover a room that's 20 by 20 feet. We limit that by the digital zoom on the camera, so it really stands out in the audio department. A comparable video bar with the same type of audio output is going to be about 2 to 3 times the size. So, still bringing that kind of Bose reputation of big sound, fitting in a compact unit. We are Teams Zoom certified. It is vendor agnostic, so it can run on any type of platform you have a meeting space in. And we just want to make sure that everybody can be heard clearly and confidently. You're not in your, sitting in your Teams room wondering if anybody can hear you in the back of the room, whether you're in the back or the front. It's going to be balanced out. You're going to be heard excellent by the other participants on the other side of the call. And we just want to bring a great audio experience into your meeting rooms. You can find out more about the Bose VB1 at pro.bose.com, or reach out to your local TD SYNNEX account rep. They'll be able to help you out as well. I'll probably connect you with me, and I can jump in and be an extra resource for you.